Hi, my name is Ryan Farias, and this is a monologue from The Seagull. My mother doesn't love me. Why should she? She wants excitement, romance, and younger men. And here I am, already 25. When I'm not around, she's only 32. Yet when I am, 43. She hates me for that. Also, she knows I don't acknowledge the theater. She loves the theater. She thinks she's serving both mankind and the sacred cause of art. As far as I'm concerned, theater today is boring and trite. The curtain goes up at exactly 8:30, just when the moon rises, and inside 3 walls lit by artificial light are famous stars. Those high priests of art demonstrate how people eat, drink, love, walk, and wear our clothes. And then the playwright tries to extract a moral out of it, some smug little moral, all cozy, perfectly fit for home consumption. And each play repeats this formula with only infinitesimal variation. That's why I have to run. Just as Maupassant ran from the Eiffel Tower because he knew it would cheapen his mind. What we need is a new kind of theater, Uncle. We need new forms. And if we can't have them, let's have no theater at all.